Ever considered starting a business in the UK? The self-sponsorship route might be the perfect fit for you. This pathway is tailored for successful business individuals eager to explore a business opportunity in the UK or bring a compelling business idea to life in the country. It's a selective route, requiring specific eligibility criteria around experience, financial resources, language proficiency, and more. Intrigued? Well, stick around. Let's delve into the specifics of this unique business pathway. To qualify for the self-sponsorship route, there are certain criteria to meet. First, you should possess relevant experience, skills, or qualifications in the area of the business you aim to establish. Financial resources are also pivotal. While there's no set minimum, it's essential to have enough resources to support your business. Next, let's talk language. You must satisfy the language requirement, attaining at least level B1, equivalent to a minimum IELTS UKVI band score of 4. However, if you hail from an English-speaking country like the USA or Australia, you can skip this step. Your business must fall under the eligibility criteria of the skilled worker route. The processing time for the UK self-sponsorship visa typically spans 6 to 8 months, and the cherry on top? You have the option to bring your partner and children under this route. Meeting these criteria sets you on the right path to self-sponsorship in the UK. Now that we understand the eligibility criteria, what are the steps to self-sponsorship? Let's delve into the 3 key steps. First, establish your own company in the UK. This is the launching pad for your self-sponsorship journey, providing you with a platform to create, innovate, and contribute to the UK economy. Next, obtain a sponsor license for your business. This license is a crucial legal requirement, granting you permission to employ yourself and potentially others within your business. The final step is securing a skilled worker visa for yourself. This visa is your ticket to living and working in the UK, enabling you to run your own company and contribute to the UK's vibrant business landscape. But remember, demonstrating a genuine intention to establish and open a business in the UK is paramount. This underlines the authenticity and commitment required for this self-sponsorship route. With these steps, you're ready to embark on your self-sponsorship journey to the UK. Let's recap the essential points about the self-sponsorship route. It's a tailored pathway for business-savvy individuals with a compelling business idea for the UK. Its key components include having relevant experience or skills, adequate financial resources, satisfying language requirements, and a business that qualifies under the skilled worker route. Remember, the process involves establishing your company, obtaining a sponsor license, and securing a skilled worker visa. With the right preparation and determination, the self-sponsorship route can open doors to exciting business opportunities in the UK. For those of you still having queries about the self-sponsorship route, we've compiled a list of frequently asked questions that might help clear some doubts. How does the UK self-sponsorship visa differ from other types of visas? The UK self-sponsorship visa is a unique route for entrepreneurs intending to establish their businesses in the UK, leading to permanent residence. Unlike the startup visa and innovator visa, which may not necessarily lead to permanent residence, the self-sponsorship route offers a more direct path to settlement. What are the main requirements for obtaining the UK self-sponsorship visa? You must demonstrate a genuine intention to run a legitimate business in the UK, have adequate resources to operate your business, and prove your English language skills at a level equivalent to B1, with a minimum IELTS UKVI band of 4.5. Can I bring my family on the self-sponsorship route? Yes, you can include your family members, including children under 18, in your application. Can I work and run my own business while on the self-sponsorship route in the UK? Yes, you can work for your own business and do a part-time job for up to 20 hours in the same industry or job role as your self-sponsorship. What are the benefits of obtaining the self-sponsorship visa? The self-sponsorship visa offers you the independence to control your business with flexibility. There are no set minimum or maximum investment requirements. Can I apply for permanent residence in the UK after getting the self-sponsorship visa? Yes, you can apply for indefinite leave to remain in the UK after 5 years. Are there travel restrictions while under the self-sponsorship route? The travel restrictions are similar to those of the skilled worker visa, allowing you to spend up to 180 days per year outside the UK. What are the requirements for maintaining the self-sponsorship visa? You must pay yourself a monthly salary from your business account, fulfill the duties declared to the UK Home Office, and renew your sponsor license every 4 years. What are the steps involved and how long does it take? The process involves incorporating the company, obtaining a sponsorship license, and applying for your skilled worker visa, which takes about 6 to 8 months. Do I need to have a business plan? Yes, you must have a business plan for the business you wish to establish. Is there an interview? The UKVI Home Office may or may not decide to conduct an interview based on your application. Remember, your questions are always welcome. Don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. Before we wrap up, a massive thank you to our loyal subscribers for your continued support. We truly appreciate every single one of you. To our new viewers, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with anyone you think might find it useful. For regular updates on our new content, please click on the notification bell. We publish insightful videos like this regularly, and we wouldn't want you to miss out. Remember, your questions, comments, and feedback are always welcome. Keep them coming. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned.